Just grab it. Grab it. Grab it.
No, I'm kidding.
Grab it. Grab it. It won't bite you.
I'm scared. I don't want
Listen, you grab it.
I don't want to get diseases.
Just grab it. Oh my board. Shit. Grab it. Grab it. No, just grab it. Grab it from behind.
Wait.
Grab it from behind like this. Wait,
Make
there,
it
like
open
that.
up its mouth.
Okay, there. It's not gonna bite you. It won't bite you. It won't. Dude, just grab it. Grab it like how you grab a crab. There. Come on. Dude, grab it like
Let it
this
go
from
to its
behind.
mouth.
Grab it like that from behind. Grab it. Grab it. No, grab it from behind.
Stop!
Like that. There. That's how you grab it.
I want to let it go to its mommy.
No, stick it back.
Wait.
Stick it back.
Throw it up in the air so it flies. Oh, that's the nest.
Just grab it. Dude, let's take it back to the house. Just grab it, just. Grab it like how you grab a crab.
You don't squish it.
Don't squeeze it.
Aiden, you
Wait, open your hand. Like this.
Shut
grab
up,
it like
you
that.
grab it.
No, I have to film.
We'll film.
Fine, I'll grab it. Okay, there, grab it. You got it. Hurry up, someone sees us. Jared, why'd you feed it the stick? I'm not gonna let go. Okay, there, let's go. Let's get back to the house.
No, let it go and then let go, Aiden. Aiden,
Let go. Hurry up. Okay, let's take it back. Let's take it back.
Let go.
It's gonna choke on the freaking stick. Okay, let's go. Right here, like with one hand. Stop dropping it. Jeez. Hurry up, someone's gonna see us. Don't drop it again. Don't drop it. Dude, Aiden, calm. Aiden, calm. I think it's dead. Well, it's not dead, but like the eyes aren't even open anymore. But it's just moving. Oh, there, the eyes just open. Dude, the guy's looking at you. Dude, just stay here.
Oh, look, he's closing. Its mommy is right there. We should let it go.
I know, but like, it's really...
You bite it.
Oh, holy crap!
What? Did it scratch it?
Oh, it touched it.
Dude, don't. It's gonna bite it.
Birdie. Oh.
What if he falls down?